I used to think that I was immune to marketing, but it seems I'm not. The story here is about Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, but it applies to anything else you purchase today. Because when I was making a purchase of this, I didn't doubt at all if they are good. I did know that they are good because every review, Reddit post or something like that was telling the same story. They are amazing, they are really good purchase in the segment. There is a debate here and there, but you get the point, it is always the same. So what the problem actually is? Well, the problem is that for 100 euros I really didn't get how much I was expecting. The earbuds are good, but not good enough. Often the sound feels overwhelmed with the track. It just cannot reproduce what I was expecting. People and reviews and comments tell a lot, but they just don't sound good enough. As someone who reviewed a lot of stuff, and I personally have my opinion, I'm really hard to get influenced by something. But if you see similarity of widespread media, even on dedicated places where people speak about something, and you get that feeling that something is really how it was told, but in reality you pay 100 euros and get something which is literally the same as the product which costs like 5 times less, 4 times, it doesn't matter, it is a lot cheaper. You get a better app if that is the important thing for you. But overall, if we consider everything, we are all influenced by the media in every possible way. It is nearly impossible to get a realistic opinion until you get the device, product, service by yourself, or at least of someone who know and you trust deeply, who can share that experience with you. In this case, this is a Soundcore earbuds who triggered me to make this video. Now I'm curious, did I buy a great earbuds or did I buy a great marketing? Let me down below what you think.